Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do drawing and show you drawing. And really, I'm gonna tell you that I'm very bad at drawing. Please don't judge, but rate it out of 10. Just rate it out of 10. Wait, let me show you. But let me first let me complete little and then I will show you. Okay, it's a little hard to complete my drawing because I can't understand what should I do. And please rate it out of 10, and if you don't like it, then rate it how much you want. It's upon to you. It's upon to you. And how much you wanted to rate it, you can rate it. Okay, everyone. I'm so scared to show you. Let's do it. So I'm gonna give you a hint that it's rainbow. It's written my name on it. I don't think so. My handwriting is good, but
it's looking very
see. Okay, we will see that if my drawing is good or not. I messed it up. I messed it up. Wait, let me fix it.
So let me. This paper, I think so. I can clean it with this paper. It looks so bad because I messed it up also. Then I do that thing. Then
I made it I shall like, please. I made it right, and it looks so beautiful. Just joking. This is not my drawing, guys. This is not a drawing. It's not alright. But let me show you the real drawing. I think like very bad drawing, but let me show you. Okay, one. Should I? Okay, man. I'm very bad at drawing. You know. One. Bye everyone. Okay, so if you like, make sure to like and subscribe. It's my first try. And you know what I messed up? I messed up this thing. But now I've cleaned the paper like this. Okay, it's done now, and it looks, for me it's beautiful, but for you I don't know. But make sure to like and subscribe my channel, please, so that I can do live.